I'm here in Florence, Wisconsin to show you a few things. I'm outside of the Interpretive Center. The first thing I'm going to show you is the walking trail. Right down here. It's not too long, but aside from being a trail, you will also be able to find all of these little plaques that tell how the glaciers shaped what we have here today over thousands of years. Now we're going to head back to the main building. It just says it's a gift shop, but as we'll see, it's a bit more than that. It is an entire little museum. Learn all about nature. But if you know me, I'm not here just for mere taxidermed animals. I'm here to see some of the more interesting, unique things. So, what are the key exhibits here? Well, we're going to go right on the other side of this Northwoods deer hunting exhibit from the 1940s. This is interesting, but right here, piece of the MacArthur pine. This is the General MacArthur pine, named after Douglas MacArthur. It is 148 feet tall, or it was when it stood at its peak, with a circumference of 17 feet and 6 inches. And being so tall, it was bound to be struck by lightnings numerous times, and it burnt down totally in 2001. And this is a fragment of it. And then last but not least, a stuffed albino deer. That's about it for this one. Other places I don't know exist, but should. Let me know in the comment. Like, subscribe to keep in touch with all the other places I find. And I will see you in the next one. So take care, and God bless.